Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the chain token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyway, first things first here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallet. And then once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to either create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate links for separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below. So if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'd recommend going to watch those first, then coming back to this video to learn how to buy this token. Anyhow, all we have to do once we have Ethereum inside of our Trust Wallet is go over to CoinMarketCap to get the contract address. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description and comment section down below. So you guys can just head over there and I'll show you what to do once you're on CoinMarketCap. Once you're on CoinMarketCap here, we just have to go down to where we see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see a little copy button, those two little squares. Just go ahead and click on those two little squares. It will then copy the contract address for you. We can then head back over to our Trust Wallets once we have this done. So once our Trust Wallet opens back up here, we can just go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and just click on that. Then we can go to the top search bar here and click on paste here. We'll then see the chain token pop up. So we can just go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. By doing this, it's going to make sure that we see our tokens inside of our Trust Wallet once we do the swap. So it's very important that you do not skip this step. Anyhow, all we have to do now is head over to the exchange. So I'll have a link over to Uniswap in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So you guys can just head over to Uniswap and then I'll show you what to do once you're on Uniswap. And once you're on Uniswap here, you just want to go to the top of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. You can then click on Wallet Connect. It's then going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. So you can use any one of these wallets if you would like to. But inside of this video, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. So I'm going to open up this connection screen inside of our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect Uniswap to our Trust Wallets. They're doing this because we want to be able to use our balance of Ethereum from our wallets on Uniswap. So we're going to have to click on Connect, then go back over to Uniswap. Now, once we're back on Uniswap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner, as well as our balance of Ethereum right below the Ethereum logo right here. Once you see your balance there, we can click on Select a Token, and then paste the same address that we got from CoinMarketCap right in here as well. We'll then see the chain token pop up, so we can click on Import, and then Import. Once we have both tokens in here, the last thing we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So if we just go to that little settings gear besides swap, you can go ahead and click on that little settings gear. It's then going to show us our slippage tolerance. Now, for most of you guys, it'll be on auto as default. You can try leaving it on auto if you would like to, but if that doesn't work for you when you try to swap the tokens, I'd recommend going to at least 12% on the slippage tolerance. You guys can try lower if you would like to. Sometimes it does work lower, but it does depend on the liquidity of the token at the time you're watching this video and you're trying to swap it. So just be aware of that. You can play around with the slippage tolerance. But yeah, I'd recommend at least 12%, but try on auto first because it does work sometimes. Anyhow, once you have your slippage tolerance set, you just want to put the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 0.5 Ethereum. I can go ahead and put 0.5 Ethereum. Then I'll just take a moment to load up with the balance of the chain token. Now, if you're comfortable with this, you can go ahead and click on the swap button where it says insufficient F balance for me. Once you click on the swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your withdrawal fees, your gas fees, and things like that. Now, I am aware the gas fees are insane right now when you're using Ethereum. Unfortunately, this token is an Ethereum-based token, so we do have to use Ethereum to purchase it. Thus, there being gas fees, and right now the gas fees are insane. So just be aware of that before you go ahead through with this transaction. And just be aware as well, you do have to pay gas fees on the sell order as well. So if you're looking to sell this token anytime soon, you will have to pay gas fees on that as well. So just be aware of that before you go through with this transaction. I know the fees are crazy right now. Unfortunately, there's no way around it as of right now. But yeah, if you guys are okay with that, you can click on swap one more time. Once you click on swap one more time, it's going to open up another page inside of your Trust Wallet, showing you another confirmation of your transaction. So you're just going to have to click on confirm for that as well. Once you click on confirm for that, it should give you a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that transaction notice that's successful, you can then go right back into your Trust Wallet and the tokens will appear here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to buy the chain token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.